Hey! Hey, Rooster, don't want no problems with you. What? Oh. Easy! See, a lot of people don't know. A lot of their diet is greenery. Poor guy's eyes gone completely now. Poor guy. Easy, God, God dang my elbow, dude. I can't even bend it all the way. It just hurts so bad, guys. Oh. I knew I should have just worked at my pace instead of trying to let man get me out going fast. I know how to work on a steady pace all day long. Hey! No scratching me! Come on, you beep, beep, beep. Hey, Lope, no! What's up, mama? Then I put a girl, huh, homie? Come on, you beep, 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 just in the days. Beep, 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 dropping lots of doo-doo. Juju! Juju! Come on, puppy, kennel up. Kennel up. Come on, puppy. Puppy, kennel up. Come on. Good boy. Good boy. I gotta go soak my elbow and effing suck, cause it hurts. Juju! Come on, guys! Junior! God dang, little bit. Come on, Bubba's! I'm gonna go take a shower. You ready to start my day? Been gone for 2 hours already, but I haven't even started my day yet. Come on, little bit! These just chores. Junior! Now! Kennel up. Juju!